Are you buying genuine Bosch parts for your Bobcat, John Deere, Case from the OEM dealer? If so, are you confident they're giving you the best price possible? Well, we've got some news for you. They're not. You see, OEM dealers get their parts from a supply chain that takes a profit out of your part every step of the way. This practice just adds to the price. They can't give you the best price possible, otherwise they wouldn't be making a profit. At Highway and Heavy Parts, we've circumvented that costly supply chain to bring parts to you directly from the manufacturer for about half the cost. What's the catch, you say? There isn't one. This is the same part you'd get from the OEM dealer. It just takes a shorter, less expensive route to get to you. And we pass the savings to our customers. That's just one of the reasons why we're America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Still not sure about this? Go ahead and get an estimate from your dealer, then call us for an estimate too. One of our expert technicians would be happy to give you a price for the exact same part, for up to 50% less than OEM dealer. Bosch has the highest quality standards in the industry, and our Bosch parts live up to those standards. They're built with all the upgraded components and brand new wearable parts. And we stand behind them with an industry-leading warranty, so you can be confident you're getting reliable, durable parts that will last. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for affordable OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about Highway and Heavy Parts, you can call me or any of the other ASE certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453. Or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on YouTube and Facebook to stay up to date with all the news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.